it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. How y'all doing? Welcome back to another tutorial. This tutorial, it's all about a mug. Another tutorial, and yes, this tutorial is all about a mug. I know that sounds like, what? Just go with me. I found this cute little mug at Walmart, of all places. Perfect for Valentine's Day, but I wanted to show you a type of gift that you can give where it's a twofer. I love a good twofer gift. So you can gift a cute little mug. You could put some little candies in there too if you wanted to, but we're going to, enough about what else you can do. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some flowers in it. That's what we're gonna do. All right, let's jump into this. The supplies that you're gonna need for this particular tutorial is a coffee mug of some sort. I did also add in a pool noodle for a little stability, completely optional. Greenery of your choice. This is the Fuzzy Wuzzy from our site, ohyourlovely.com. This is one of my favorite spring greeneries. Optional vinyl tape, that's to hold the pool noodle in place. Clippers, I forgot. I'm going to also throw in just a little pop of color. This is sesame bloom. And then of course, Sola wood flowers dyed in your colors of choice. All right, let's jump into it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is add that pool noodle if you want. Again, I used vinyl tape to secure it in place, and then you can take it out at any point so that you can actually use the coffee mug as a coffee mug. If you did not put in that pool noodle, you probably could fill this with some little candies and put your arrangement right in there if you wanted to, but we're not gonna today. So I am gonna use the Fuzzy Wuzzy as my main greenery. I'm trying for this one for it to be a gift or to sell. I'm trying not to go overboard with the greenery. It's hard for me, you guys. It's so hard. Now it does stand a little tall, so we're going to shorten that so that it sits hands-free, super, super cute. This gives me my kind of base of what my height needs to be. And with that then, I now know too where my baseline is going to be. So I'm gonna use that as a guide as I'm putting in other filler. So I'm putting in that sesame bloom. I'm gonna go a little high for some of it, and then we'll tuck a little bit down low as well. And I'm just adjusting it and mixing it into my greenery, knowing that it's going to get cut down quite a bit. That'll give us a pop of color in there as well while we're playing around with the flowers. It's just a little extra, and a little bit of this goes a long way, so you can use some of this dried filler for a whole bunch of different projects, not just the one. If they come off, I just set those aside. You could put them right back on, but I usually set those aside and then I use those in other projects for little bits and bobs, if you will. All right, do feel like there needs a little something, something. Feeling good about that. Now let's get on to the flowers. Now I am debating a little bit in my head if I want to put the flowers directly into the cup as is, or if I want to create my bouquet by holding it first, but I think we're gonna do it in the cup. I think that's what we're gonna do. Fingers crossed this works. We're gonna do triangles of 3. I already started off with my red flowers, so I want some that are low too. I don't want it all high, so I've got one low right there. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a triangle, but a height triangle. So we're gonna put 2 low. So I'm gonna put another one on the other side mirroring that, and then the one on the top. So we still have a triangle, it's just a little bit different. The flowers that we're using today are from a mixture of different dyed assortments that we offer. Some of them did come from the subscription box, so you can only get those flowers if you subscribe to our dyed subscription box. The other ones though, however, are from I believe they're from the XOXO collection. And we do carry a variety of dyed flowers throughout the year, seasonally based, but we do have a few that are like ride or dies, if you will. One of those would be the Hopeless Romantic. We carry that one in stock pretty much throughout the year, as well as we have a succulent arrangement that we keep in stock. And then we also have some single dyed flowers as well. So if you wanted just like say a rose in a certain color, we do carry some standard colors as well. So all sorts of fun stuff. Again, I'm gonna do just groups of 3 for this. And I'm purposely getting my flowers into that pool noodle because I'm going to want to pull that up in a second, and we're wanting everything kind of focused on the pool noodle. But my adjusting of flowers when I'm doing this is to make sure that it's not super focused here, but it goes out and spreads across a little. It's got a good spread to it, so to speak. Now what I'm doing, I'm not putting it in the camera, that's for sure, the viewfinder. So what I'm doing is for some of these, I'm actually adjusting the wires so that they go a little bit more front facing. And just adjusting a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot all the way through. I think we're getting close to being done. I'm gonna step back for a second, look at it one more time, and make sure that I'm happy with it on all different angles. Happy with where this is at. So let's see how many of these. Okay, there we go. I went through some of the pool noodle. That's all right. I'm just gonna put that back. Again, there's just a little bit of tape at the bottom to hold this in place. So I've got my little bouquet, if you will. And yep, all of the stems are right at the bottom of where that fuzzy wuzzy started. So that's perfect. I have these tiny little zip ties, so I'm gonna do that. Hopefully it doesn't break. That's when I'm gonna hold this all together, or attempt to. Let's see if my little zip tie thingamajig will work with this. Oh, it does. Perfect. Okay. So now we've got our little bouquet, and since we're gifting this, well, first off, let's double check. Gotta get everything in. I did put a slit through the pool noodle too, just in case I needed some wiggle room. Okay. And then once we get it in there, we might need to adjust a little bit. Okay, that's looking good. But in the meantime, I do want to wrap this so that the whole purpose of this, right, is to be able to give 2 gifts in one. So for them to be able to use the coffee cup if they choose to do so. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this up with a little bit of ribbon. Then they can pop it in another vase at a later date if they'd like, and then they can use that coffee cup for whatever they want. So to do that, I'm just going to wrap all of this together. If you're looking for a more cost-effective way, I would definitely look at using something like twine for this. And I actually like that I cut this. This was from a different project, so I have it cut at an angle. I'm just gonna put a little dab of glue right there. That looks super cute. So let me go get Bikram and we'll put a little glue on there. And there you have it. The cutest 2 for gift that I ever have seen. How cute would this be? Mother's Day, Easter, Valentine's Day. It is wiggling a little. I think I might have pulled that noodle out too many times. That's okay, you can fix it with just a little bit more tape at the bottom. Otherwise, so dang cute. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, if you will. Leave a comment if you'd like. Also, hey, subscribe to the channel. We roll out a new video every Wednesday, for the most part. At least once a week, though. Is always the goal to get you guys a tutorial all about Sola wood flowers. So make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to find out about the 150 style Sola wood flowers along with craft supplies and greenery. Fuzzy wuzzies, they're there. Go to ohyourlovely.com, but before you go, hold on. Hold up, wait a minute, rewind. I have a code for you, I do. Get 30% off your first order using the code YouTube30. All right, you guys, I think that's everything. I think I got all of the things I'm supposed to say all in one. Let's see, when is this going live? Soonish. So I don't think it'll be exactly Valentine's Day yet. I think we've got a little bit more time before this, like as this goes live before Valentine's Day. So you can go make yourself a whole bunch for all of those sweethearts in your life. And yeah, we'll see you super soon. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.